Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving the introduction. Why are you looking at camera? No, not like, oh yeah. Yeah, so what are we gonna do it today, Vidushi?
We are gonna give campus tour.
Yeah, we're gonna give campus tour. So I guess it's the first video I'm posting of campus tour. I hope I can cover everything. So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
This is Reva entrance.
So guys, this is what we see when we come from there, when we enter into the campus. This is the first building. Yes.
CV Raman block.
This is Vishwesharaya. Sri M. Vishwesharaya block. You have these many schools over here. Architecture and all you can see. Here is the notice board.
If you have any event, people paste.
Yeah, here.
Posted you.
This is Saugandiga Open Stadium, right?
People keep on dancing there.
Yeah, Vidushi also. She is a very good dancer. I just love her
You
dances.
people might have seen me in her vlog.
Of course. Okay, maybe just do a dance, Vidushi.
I don't wanna live a lie.
At some events, you know, Ray Vatsava, big events, it will be mostly conducted here so that people can, you know, so many people can be accommodated in the stadium, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to this block. This is Vishwesharaya, so I can't just go and show everything. So these all trophies, we don't know who got. Guys, here, good. So many, you know, like. Basically, Reva is an eco-friendly campus. You can see all.
So many trees.
Yeah, it's really pretty also.
We have numbers of trees, and then every tree has their name on it.
Yeah. Which is your favorite block in Reva?
CV Raman or maybe our block.
Our block is so
Swami
pretty. See, in this which is Vishwesharaya is more focused.
Our block looks like Hogwarts.
Yeah, I mean like it's architecture of our block is really pretty. That you know you can see that spider stairs, everything. And when it comes to Vishwesharaya, I guess it's more focused on, you know, being trees. Classes are very less over here, whereas in Swami
But
Vivekananda,
population is more here.
really, oh yeah, I mean, you know, in one class itself you'll have like 80 students maybe because the strength of the class is very high. Whereas in our department, except our building, it's only our building which has less students.
No. BB and BCom have many students.
Yeah, that's one. So let's go to the other block. So you can only climb. You can't climb down.
I mean, so our block is like taller, but other blocks are small. That's why they have less students.
Yeah.
And here they have more students.
Here we have 8th floor.
Because we have more courses here.
Yeah. The stairs are so pretty, guys. I'll show you. So now we are in front of Swami Vivekananda block, which is our block here. I guess inside in every block here they have a stadium inside. So here we have Rangasthala. It's an open stadium in our block. So let's go.
Outfit of the day, guys. Outfit check. Reva University. This is like office or maybe this is Rangasthala. Abhi the stage is closed, but then you can still see.
So always some more.
We have some event going on.
Yes. Always some more the other event takes place here. Here also we can accommodate a lot of people. This is our spider stairs. Like to get the actual view, we have to go to 7th floor, I guess. now we are moving forward to administrative block, which is, you know, like that. And admissions happens here. Then all the other things, entrance, main office is also there. Along with that, I guess they have performing arts and artificial intelligence over there. So let's go to that block. You know, I guess this is the most prettiest block of our college.
Luxury, bro.
Yeah, it's very luxury.
No, RBS is also luxury.
Yeah.
This is PUC block. This is Reva Business School. This is RBS basically. I mean, here MBA students study.
You are hardworking so much, Hideshi. So this is the open cafe. Here you'll get good food. You'll get good ambience also. So
This is the science block. Here we also have PUC block, like PUC students study here. PUC means 11th and 12th.
yeah, I mean the full form.
I don't know.
I know.
Because at my place we call...
Pre-university college.
Okay.
Yeah, pre-university. Guys, once you are taking the college tour, you'll be tired as well. You know, like
Be sweating.
Actually, because you have a lot to work. But it's pretty only. Yeah, we'll go for more shots. This moment, I would like to thank Vidushi so much for hard working. She's my unpaid videographer, guys. She actually helped me a lot in this video because you won't be able to go alone and take, because it look little weird because you feel little what am I even doing, that kind. But she's with me and it's easy for me. Thank you.
Reva.
Oh yeah, guys, Reva has got, Reva is clean campus.
It's one of the best, cleanest university in the world.
Everywhere, like 15
in India.
50 meter, you can find dustbins over here. That too, extracted like wet waste
Yeah,
and dry waste.
like this.
So this is the automatic watering system, so that at particular times automatically it water plants, so that manpower is not needed. So and water waste will not happen because
This is logo of Reva. बैग में है सर. यस सर, निकल रही है.
wait.
We can't record inside, but still we managed to take. So Parnika is so confused.
There is all documents, account section where you pay the fees, where you pay hostel fee, vacating slips, documents, everything is here.
And we have different numbers of room. It has different numbers
So
on
maybe
it.
if you people are coming for admission, or maybe, so first you have to come to administrative block. So you can just come to the gate and you can take a visitor pass, then ask administrative block. Here you have artificial intelligence, you have performing arts, you have the computer IT courses here.
We used to live here before.
Yeah.
Girls hostel too.
It's two. We have more. We'll show you.
These are the quarters for teachers who teach here.
Staffs. And also, I guess this is the most, cold place you'll see because you have a lot of trees here. And now we are going to Aditi, which is guest house.
Atithi.
Atithi. Atithi, guys. I have my Hindi teacher behind the camera. So, Atithi, that means guest house. If your parents are all coming, you can just book the room. They can stay here. And if you are in hostel, outside hostelers also can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like you can. So, we'll just see.
Chancellor's car only.
RBS is actually
Expensive, rich
expensive
hostel.
for rich kids. Basically, it was for Reva Business School hostel because Reva is actually famous for business school and then,
BTech.
Yeah, BTech,
Engineering.
business school, engineering. But now it's premium hostel where you'll have AC facilities. You'll have premium hostel, which is expensive.
And
You
everything
have to pay single sharing like 4 lakh.
4 lakh. We are inside the room. We sneaked in. Okay? For you people. For you. This is shower place. We have this glass. This thing.
Bathroom tour it's going to be.
Shower. Whoa. Poop. Poop here.
So like this, basically the room is like this only.
But this is some other room. This is some dining table. This is not the bedroom.
Oh.
Super Nika.
I'm seeing.
These are all staff quarters. On the right hand side we have girls mess. Moving forward we have boys hostel and then boys mess. Hostel office. Reva novelty. You'll get
here
stuff.
You will get all gift stuff, clothes, everything.
This is Reva ground. Here we have matches, football, cricket and everything. We have another indoor sports ka this thing also section where you can play badminton, table tennis and everything. We have today also we have some match going on if you can see. This is Reva stationery and then we have food court. Coffee makes me happy.
So here people can actually sit, eat food, they can cut the birthday cakes, they can study, whatever they can do. So it's a space for that.
That is Reva Fitness Center. There we have Reva Gym, gymnastics and all. And then what is that called?
What?
Yoga.
Yeah, aerobics, Zumba and all.
Yeah.
So actually we wanted to take more, but unfortunately our battery died and we couldn't take any more videos. There is a lot more that we couldn't include in this video. So if you people want to watch more, you can just ask. We'll do a second part. So it's basically a ice cream parlor Nandini which we have inside the campus. Then we have a Maggie Point, and this is the way we are going out to the campus. We have buses. It's not this one bus. More buses are there which have a parking area outside. This is the entrance of Reva University. And this is the Saukantikas behind the stage, like where you can come, we can practice here, you can sit inside Saukantika when there is no programs, like so many people do that. And also we have a lot of places where you can sit with these kind of benches and all. So this is the central library. So this is a video in which I could only add very few parts of Reva University. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.